Life is wonderful. Life is full of opportunities to create and shape, filled with adventure and joy of living, molded by our abilities to learn new things, to inspire, to fascinate, to be happy together, to take on challenges, to achieve goals, to protect our loved ones and keep them safe from harm. And yet, there may be that one single moment that completely changes our lives. But not with PCS. PCS redefines protection during woodworking with the circular saw. A preventative system that detects hazards directly at the saw blade and retracts within milliseconds. It is the saw blade that acts as the sensor. In other words, no changes in routine are necessary. Everybody works as usual. Even in the case of concealed cuts and swung away overhead saw guards, your hands are safe. The trigger occurs without any contact, and because the lightning-fast dropping of the blade causes no damage, the machine is immediately ready for use again. PCS, the revolutionary world first that recognizes the most important moment, ensuring life stays wonderful.